Let's go, everyone. Today we're unboxing this Apple Watch Solo Loop band. And this is a Solo Loop silicone fitted band. Solo Loop color is white for Apple Watch 45 millimeters. So pretty cool packaging. It's interesting, the white on white. It's hard to see, you know, if there was more color, you could see. It's interesting. Yeah, let's go. All right, let's see how this experience is. Nice pull tab. White Solo Loop. Alright, looks like it's all cardboard, so paper, not much plastic, and that's it. Shows you how to connect everything, how to attach the Solo Loop. Okay, let me show you guys this. All right, here we go. So there's this tab over here to help you pull it up. Okay, that was a great unboxing experience. Super white. I like this one. Doesn't attract lint like the non-Apple branded ones. So here we go. Just clips on to my Apple Watch. And there you have it. Super fresh. Super fresh for summer. So yeah, this is a nice unboxing experience. Nice white Solo Loop. And yeah, another great product from Apple. Thanks everyone. Hope you like and subscribe. And see you on the next random unboxing video. Hope you're doing well. See you next time. Later.